So if we want to actually invoice the next progress claim for the same project, we simply come into here, click on the actual project, bring up the project, and click on invoice again. We can see the current status. Now everything that's already been invoiced 100% is actually taken off the list. So that makes it a lot easier. So we can then invoice the next period. So for example, we can then click on the rental period, and then we can invoice the remainder of the project. Which is maybe, or maybe not the remainder of the project. I might invoice another 1 week. Then also click on the erect labour here, double click on that, and now as you can see, we've invoiced 50% already for the erect labour. So if I type in 100, what that means is it'll invoice the remaining 50%. So that's how that works. And yep, and then we might invoice some dismantle labour as well. So we might say that's 50 or maybe 40% dismantled, and so on. So in a very new release about to come out, we're going to make it much easier to invoice again by allowing you to enter in a date range, and the system will automatically pick up ongoing rental and automatically invoice the erect labour at the beginning of the contract, and at the end of the contract it'll invoice the dismantle and return transport. So we'll generate a lot more tools and improved pop-up windows, so when you click on an actual rental area, there'll be some additional information to help you invoice a lot quicker. So I can just generate this invoice, and as we can see, we have the invoice generated. So we can see here it's progress claim number 2, additional claim value there, and at the bottom we have our charges once again. We click on the progress claim, and this time if we scroll all the way down further where we have our stages, this time we've only invoiced a claim for the north wall, which is stage 1, so it's an additional $1,600 worth of claim. Previously we claimed $1,900, so the contract claim to date is $3,500. And again, the variations, we haven't claimed any additional variations, but that's actually in there as well. The other feature we have is the ability to actually see which projects have actually not been invoiced for a certain period of time. So we have reminder facilities to allow you to make sure that you're not going to miss out on invoicing projects.